Have you been dreaming of saving some much needed space in your laundry area? Well, you're in luck, because in this video we'll be introducing our very own eSpares stacking kit for your washer and dryer. Hello, I'm Matt from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you to fix your appliances yourself and guides you in appliance maintenance. As mentioned, a stackable washer and dryer is a great way for you to save space in your washing area. However, we are fully aware that it can be a hassle for you to stack your machines one on top of another. Stacking a tumble dryer on top of a washing machine can be downright dangerous, as you risk damaging the appliance from the vibration of the machines and even a fire hazard from blocked ventilation. Thankfully, there is a safe, functional and perfectly steady way to stack a washer and a dryer, and that is by using the eSpares stacking kit. The eSpares tumble dryer and washing machine stacking kit is made from high quality plastic, durable stainless steel and features foam rubber padding that easily supports the full weight of your appliance. It comes with 4 corner pads, 4 fixing bars and a retaining strap that affixes your machines for extra stability and security. The kit is adjustable, which means you can fit it to the size of your appliances. And also, you don't need to use any tools to install it, just a bit of heavy lifting. So without any further ado, let's get into how to stack a washer and dryer using the kit. Safety first, always ensure that both machines are switched off and unplugged before installing the stacking kit. Also, if you have a vented tumble dryer, ensure that the vent hose is disconnected from the machine to prevent any damage. Before starting with the stacking kit installation, we recommend that the first thing you do is measure your appliances. Most washers and dryers will be the standard 60 by 60 centimeters. However, this can vary depending on the load capacity. So it's good to double check, especially to make sure that your tumble dryer fits on top of your washing machine. eSpares top tip: while it is technically possible to stack a washing machine on top of a tumble dryer, we do not recommend that you do that. Washing machines often weigh more than a tumble dryer and are prone to more movement. Once you've got the measurements of your machines, it's time to assemble the stacking kit. So grab a corner pad and then place the fixing bar inside and adjust as required using the measurements you've taken earlier. Once the bar is in place inside the corner pad, you can then use these tabs to lock it into position. You can then do the same for the other 3 corners. Place the kit on top of your washing machine. Refer to the writing on the corner pads for correct placement. The kit should sit flush on top of the appliance, so if you notice that it's not quite there, make sure to adjust as required. For this, you simply need to loosen the clips on the corner pads, then fasten them again once you're done adjusting. Now, grab the retaining strap and thread it underneath the washing machine. Make sure to position it centrally and that it is not twisted anywhere, and keep the 2 ends on the floor for now even and centered. Next, you need to put the tumble dryer and position it on top of the washing machine. Do not do this alone. Make sure you have at least one other person there to help. Now do make sure it's flush and even all the way around. Pull the latch end of your retaining strap over the tumble dryer, and then you can fix the other end of the strap through the latch and pull to make sure it's as tight as possible. Now to loosen, simply press the latch and that'll come loose, and that can also help you to tighten the belt as much as possible. So there we have it, the eSpares stacking kit for your washer and dryer. Now you can enjoy all that space you've created and do your washing with confidence and convenience. If you're looking for more appliance repair guides, care and maintenance advice and all things eSpares, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.